What's up, nail friends? It's Sarah here, and in today's video I have a big haul for you. I'm really excited to show you guys what I got in. So let's get started. Okay, I'm gonna start this off with this small package. So this is from Clear Jelly Stamper. I purchased this because I planned to do compilation videos for you guys, and I needed some stuff from Clear Jelly in order to do that. Sorry, I'm just gonna open this up. I love the Clear Jelly stamping boxes. They come like, they have them custom, you know? So you can see the boxes are custom with the Clear Jelly Stamper logo. So what I picked up was another big bling stamping bling thing. I mean, this is like the clear stamper. So mine I have right here, but I have some like nail imprints in it, so that doesn't work. And then if you use them too much and you get like acetone or something on them, sometimes they won't pick up your image. So I decided to get a fresh one for some Halloween stuff. This is what it looks like. It comes with this like pretty glitter thing. It comes with a spare one too, so now I have two heads, which is great. That's exactly what I needed. So I got that. I also picked up the gold stamping polish because I was out of gold. It's very pretty, but I was completely out of gold, and it's kind of hard to film anything Christmassy if you don't have gold. So I definitely want to get more prepared for that. So that's why I got that. I also got in, and the reason, oh yeah, comes with a fresh scraper, which is always good for filming because people complain if it looks dirty. So I also got in the sticky stamping polishes from Clear Jelly. And the reason I did that was because I saw Talia using them in some of her videos recently, and they're so cool. I'll have to use them soon and show you guys. But they're basically like a sticky polish. You can put chrome into your stamping design. It's really cool. I'll have to use them and show you guys. Don't worry, I'll do that in my next compilation video, so check back for that. So I got the black and the white for the sticky polish. And then, oh yeah, I let my old black accidentally kind of run out. So I got a new black polish, just a plain black. So this is all I got from Clear Jelly. And this wasn't sponsored or gift. I purchased this myself. So yeah, that's what I got from Clear Jelly. I just thought I needed some new stamping stuff for filming. So yeah, small little package. Okay, the second package I got. So I already filmed and opened this and then lost my footage, so I have to do it again. I ordered some really cool face masks from my friend Chelsea Bart from Chelsea's Nails. She has an Etsy store and she makes face masks. So I ordered a bunch of them because I want to support her and because cool face masks, right? So I got a bunch that are nail related. So this one says Nail Boss with a green polish bottle. Green is my favorite color, so that's why I went with this one. Then I also got this one, which is like a holographic one that says But First Nails. So holographic. And I also like these black ones because you can use them as the fun side or just plain black. Another Nail Boss one, but this one has a red polish bottle. I really like this one. And I got this one too, which is so cute. Just a bunch of polish bottles, like polished polka dots. Super cute. And then I also got a plain black one with a small polished bottle like this on this corner. But my husband is out shopping and he took it. So he uses the black one with the polished bottle. So I will link Chelsea down in my description box. Make sure you check out her store for some really cool nail related face masks. Yeah, I'm really excited. I've already worn these out. I've gotten compliments on them and I really like them. Okay, the next thing I want to show you guys is from Apres. Canada Nail Supplies actually is where I bought the Apres from. I forgot about that. I was like, did I buy it from Apres or from Canada Nail Supplies? I ordered from Canada Nail Supplies. Just gonna open this up. Okay, so what I ended up getting And also this one was not sponsored. This I purchased with my own money. So I decided to go for the Gel X extensions, the Sean Legend ones. And that is because they're a lot more tapered than the coffin ones. So I love a good taper. I love a good tapered square. I just love that shape. It's a tapered coffin. And I feel like these will look so good in compilation videos because sometimes I feel like the other shape is a little too like wide. I don't know. So that's why I got these. Let's see how it looks on a finger. There you go. So it is a lot more tapered than the other ones. So I'm really excited for these, not only to use with my fake fingers, but also for myself. So I got that. And then I also got in a bunch of spare tips for my nails, for my fingers, for compilations, because I absolutely love compilation videos. So what I ended up going for were the sizes that I use the most. For the sculpted stilettos in size 3 and 2, because these are the ones I use the most for my fingers. So if you guys are looking to like do compilations like I do, I use the nail tip that the fingers come with, the Red, or they don't come with them, you have to order them, from the Red Iguana site. So these fingers are from Red Iguana. And then I use the Gel X and I glue them or gel them onto that, and then it just looks like, it looks like it fits the finger really nicely. So the spare numbers I find fit the number, or fit the nail the best, are the 3 and the 2. So that's why I got replacements of those for the stilettos. Okay, what else is in here? I also got in these ones, which are new, are sculpted coffin extra long ones. I wanted some extra long ones for compilation videos. I just really enjoy doing compilation videos, and the longer the nail, the more art you can do. So I wanted extra long ones for that. So here's the finger, and that's how long it's gonna be. Awesome. So excited. So I bought 4 packs of the 4 because they come in 25 pack. And then I also got the extra long size 3 because again, I think that those are the sizes that fit the best for the coffin. So the stilettos, the 3 and the 2 fit the best, and then the coffins, the 3 and the 4 fit the best, okay? I'll leave that down in my description box for you guys. So that's what I ordered from Apres in order to be able to film more videos. The next 2 things I'm gonna open here. Really excited for these. Okay, so if you guys don't already know this, I film also for the Glitterbels official YouTube channel. And the girls that film for it, we have a competition every month. Who gets the most views on their video gets a gift and a prize. So I won. So I got a gift they sent me. So I want to open it up for you guys and show you guys. What is this? Look at this. Okay, so I definitely don't have this in my collection yet. Rose gold case. So excited. Look how pretty that is. A rose gold carrying case. Let's open this up. Okay, so inside this carrying case comes with more carrying cases. So these are for your stuff, I guess. So if you're like educating or heading somewhere, you know, or like traveling or just extra storage. It's really cute though. So that's what I got, this rose gold case. Okay, and then inside here, oh wow, so cute. I'm gonna keep this box forever. Look at it. It says Glitterbels by Annabelle. Cute box. Oh, look at all that. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Oh, unicorn brush. So inside here, we have one of the unicorn brushes, which I don't have yet, so I'm so excited. Oh my god, those are so cute. So I've got a new rose gold unicorn nail brush for brushing the dust off. That's really cute. That's gonna be so cute in my videos. I'm so excited. Okay, that was the first thing we got. I got a new 3D brush. I also got a Glitterbels pen. It is cute and pink and matte. I got, ooh, carbide bits, a bunch of them. And these ones are like that cool rainbow look to them. You can never have enough carbides. And these are all different shapes, which are great. I love all these different shapes. So this one's like a rounded top. This one, these are all safety bits basically, because they're all rounded. So you really can't like cut your clients with these. I highly recommend getting rounded tops if you're gonna do stuff like this. These are all so nice and so great. I love the rainbow color of these. Again, something that'll look really cool while I'm filming. Also got, ooh, look at these scissors. Nice, some awesome, really beautiful scissors. I love these. Look at them. Oh my God. These are so pretty. I also got in a Glitterbels pin. Okay, we also got in some colors, oh, some glitters here. Emerald Chunky, so that's one I don't even have like for sale yet. So I'm really excited because I don't even have these ones yet. So let's take a look. Emerald Chunky. Oh, that's so pretty. It's kind of like chameleon, but it's like a different color shift. That's so pretty. What do you guys think? I love emerald green, so that's beautiful and gonna be really awesome for Halloween nails. I always throw these away. These are just for travel. You don't need to keep these little travel things. Oh, I also got in Hot Summer, which is just like an orange glitter. Tan Me Medium. Ooh, pretty. Exotic Chunky. Then I got a bunch of colored acrylics for my collection that are like fall themed. And, ooh, another glitter. This one's called Treasure Medium. Okay, so that was my gift from Glitterbels. I got in a new carrying case, a bunch of glitters, some really cool scissors. Really into these scissors. I just think they're so pretty. I've never seen something like that before. They're just so pretty. Yeah, so that was from Glitterbels. Sorry, I ended that and then forgot to show you guys that I got a certificate of achievement for being the month content creator. That's really awesome. So I got a certificate. Yeah, so make sure you guys check out the Glitterbels channel too. I will also link that in my description box. I always do. Make sure you check out all my videos because you guys, I make sure that all the videos are very beginner friendly for you guys, so that it's very easy to learn. It's a little bit more beginner friendly than some of the videos I have on my channel. So definitely check out the Glitterbels channel for tons of videos from lots of amazing nail techs who've been contributing. So check it out. So I have one more package to show you guys. Okay, so I already opened this package, filmed a video was destroyed. I think I told you guys, I've lost so many videos last month, 4 videos, so I've been really discouraged lately. But today I felt like filming, so here I am. So I got a package from Get Buff Nails, I already opened it, so I don't have the package anymore. But Get Buff Nails now has a Canadian distributor called Unique You, so I will also link Get Buffed in Australia, Get Buff Pro, and the Canadian distributor down in my description box as well. So what I got in from them were some brushes. So we got in the Florence brush, the Brienne brush, and the Mini. 2 liner brushes and a gel brush. You can never have too many brushes, you know? You just really can't. And these ones are great because if you have one of those lights above your desk, they're magnetic and will stick to it like that. They also gave me a candle. It's a lavender peppermint candle. Smells amazing. It's a hand poured candle by Get Buff Pro. Smells so good. a new thing of e-file bits from Get Buff Pro. I did a video recently where I mentioned some of my favorite bits in that video, and these ones are such a great alternative to a flame bit if you struggle or like you're scared to start using a flame bit. These ones are so soft and easy to use, very hard to like hurt yourself or your client. Really great beginner ones. I love this bit for taking down acrylic. This is for smoothing the skin. And then this one's a great prep bit to get all that skin around before you go in with these bits. So I like this bit too, super safe. So I got more of those in. And then a bunch of glitter. So let's take a look at this glitter. So I love flakies, and she sent a bunch of the flakies. You cannot go wrong with these flakes. They look good in everything. I use them all the time for like compilation videos. They're just a great thing to add if you want something extra special on the nails. They just look good on everything. You put them in acrylic, in gel, on top of gel polish, like they're very versatile. So these are what they're called. This one's called Spike. And you can see they're all like kind of iridescent, but they've got like a multi-shift. So whatever you put them on, they'll kind of look different. So depending on the ones. And you can see like, you can kind of actually see them really well, the colors of them in the lids here. Like this one's kind of like a reddy pink color called Beetle. And you can see they're all iridescent, but they have that, that's like kind of what they shine. The turquoise one is called Princess. So you can really see the shine in the lid there. But they're all iridescent, you know? They're really fun. This purpley one is called Prince. I was running low on flakes, so I'm really happy that I got this right on time for like fall, Christmas nails. I'm just really excited. And then we have a green one called Pretty. This one's called Party. Ooh, this one's more like rainbowy. And then the last one is called Organza, and this kind of got that orangey gold look to it. Very beautiful. And then I also got sent a bunch of chromes. So chromes are really hard to see what they look like, but you can see what they look like in the lids here. So this one's kind of pink, got that pink chrome. So these are iridescent as well. This one's called Pinkie Pie. So they'll just give off this color when you rub it into your top coat. So this one's got like a gold look to this. One's called Tiara. This one's got like that green color shift. This one's called Derby. This one kind of got like a different green color shift. Celestial. This one's definitely got like more of a gold color shift, I think. I have to open this up. Yeah. And this one's called Armor. And then the last one here is called Sweetie. And this one's kind of definitely got that gold color shift. So you can see really well in the lids, like I said. So yeah, that's what I got. That's my haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I had a lot of fun ordering this stuff. I have more stuff on the way, so don't worry. Check back for a new haul to come soon. I have a lot of good videos for you this month. I just gotta work on them, try not to lose footage, so I can get you guys some videos. Hope you guys like this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, click the bell next to it to be notified when I post. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!